Today we'll be making ginger shots, and these are the ingredients you'll need. So let's get right into it. Ginger shots are known for helping with arthritis, inflammation, pain management. It's known to be an immune booster, and it is high in antioxidants. So this is something I want to incorporate in my diet or in my daily living. And I just want to, so here is my juicer that I'll be using to make the ginger shots. And what I'll be using today are the 2-ounce bottles, because I'm going to make multiple bottles for the next couple of days. Now, I thought I would make a big batch and I'll have them for the week, but in my research, it says that I need to use these in about 3 to 4 days. I will be using these 2-ounce jars, ginger, turmeric, an orange, a lemon, and black pepper. The black pepper is known to help our bodies absorb the turmeric. So we're going to add a little bit of the black pepper. All right, so let's get started here. I'm going to cut up the fruit, the lemon and the orange. I can leave this peel on because the juicer will extract that from the juice. And I will clean off the turmeric and clean off the ginger, and I'll just kind of cut some of the hairs, but I don't have to peel this either because the juicer will extract that from it. And let's go. Now first, I take my container off the juicer, and I've learned this the hard way because it's such a mess. So I take a grocery bag and I put that inside. So when I'm all done, all I got to do is get this bag and toss it. So I start by adding that bag. Let's see. And then I have my pitcher that's going to go right on the end here. And I'll let you guys see when that juice extracts in there. I'm cutting these pieces smaller because I just want it to be easier on the juicer. The turmeric and the ginger are really tough pieces of root, and I don't want it to be so much stress on my juicer, so I cut those pieces up in smaller pieces. Now for the lemons and oranges, I do cut off the tips and toss those, and then I cut those into wedges so that that's easier to feed into the juicer. And I just place those pieces in coffee filters because I use coffee filters for everything. Okay, now here is the juicer, and I kind of forgot to record when I dropped those root pieces of the turmeric and the ginger, but now I'm dropping the fruit in. And as you can see, all of that fruit and ginger and turmeric only made about 6 ounces of juice. I was expecting a bit more, but it is what it is. Here is all the pulp, and this is what I mean by all of that pulp will be inside of the juicer, and I can just plop that right in the bag and toss it later. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of pulp in there, so I'm going to just use my fine mesh strainer to strain the pulp out of the juice. I simply use a measuring cup, I place the strainer on top, and I just simply pour the juice inside of the strainer. As you can see, there's quite a bit of pulp. I just kind of swirl that around so that the juice can get through. And here you can see how much pulp was actually left in that little bit of juice. So now I'm going to take this juice that I've already strained, and I'm going to actually start to put them inside of the 2-ounce containers or the 2-ounce little bottles that I've purchased specifically for the ginger shots. I'm going to place those funnels right on top to make it easier to pour. And I'm taking my whisk to whisk in that black pepper. And we are almost done. I just take that juice, use the funnels to actually pour it into each little individual jar. I really thought I would get more than 3, but I guess not. So I did use 1 lemon, 1 orange, and you saw the finger size turmeric and ginger that I used, and this is all that I got. So because it should be drank within 3 to 4 days, that's okay. I'll just take 1 a day, and then I'll know next time if I want to get double the batch, I'll double the recipe. And there you have it, homemade ginger shots.